They chose INSOLID. I believe they had a friend that worked with us, and so they liked what we did in their friend's house, and so they liked the fact that our product, or the solid surface product, is a easy cleaning, easy to maintain countertop or material. It was actually a brand new house, so it wasn't a remodel. It was a brand new house that they built. They tore down the old house that was on the lot, and so this was a brand new one. So everything was freshly new. Cabinets, the countertops were custom made to the fitting of the kitchen. No, this was your typical American family, husband, wife. I believe they had 3 kids, and they were just excited to get into their new house and for the new build, and to restart or start a new life, the next part of their chapter. And the process of the job was really smooth for them. Probably the only one that I saw that we dealt with was the large grease guard that went above the stove and around the hood area. They wanted the wall or that part of the area, the material, to go all the way to the ceiling. So that part was probably the most trickiest part. We had to, the bottom area where it came onto the splash, that was all seamless one piece, and then we had to cut and custom fit 2 side pieces to give it that full backsplash look going to the ceiling. Probably the second task was, because there was an island, also that was a double layer island. We had an upper bar top and then your lower kitchen top. Because of the type of color that it was, it had a flow, had a vein, granite look to it. So we had to make sure everything was flowing the right way. We could not fabricate it where one direction it was flowing and then the other direction was flowing a different way. So we had to make sure everything was flowing from left to right throughout the kitchen. So that was probably the second task that we had to overcome. Okay, so we did the kitchen countertops only, and the sink area. It was a stainless steel undermount sink. So the scope was, so we had the sink top, and it turned into an L to the right side for the cove area. The backsplash and the countertop was installed one piece. So in other words, there was no silicone joints between the countertop and the backsplash. It was all seamless, solid surface all the way through. So that eliminated a lot of any future mildew or any leaking between the backsplash and the countertop. The square footage of the job was about 90 square feet, 90 to about 100 square feet. From the kitchen sink, the stove, the grease guard, which was fun, and then the island top, everything was flowing together. We had the chance of making the bar top a little bit of an overhang, so they could put stools and they could use that as a breakfast area instead of sitting at the dining table. So it was a good place for a location to, chill with the rest of the family or friends, and instead of having that dining room area influence. So it was a nice area to come together in the center of the kitchen and communicate while maybe someone was cooking and things like that. So that was a good. They went with this particular material because it's a non-porous product. Bacteria can't grow on it. The maintenance on it is probably one of the easiest on the market to maintain and keep clean. The best example I can give you is that hospitals love this product because of that particular reason. Bacteria doesn't grow on it. Easy to maintain. You can use almost any household cleaning product. For example, Windex 409 maintains it very well. And so that's what they were mainly going for, is the easy cleaning, but also have that rich, posh look of a custom-looking kitchen.